Intro 15 seconds. Starting an online business or side hustle in 2026 is easier than ever. But the real challenge is choosing the right skill. A skill that can actually make you money. In this video, I'll share 5 digital skills that can earn you at least $100 per day, even if you're a complete beginner. These skills are in high demand, easy to learn, and work worldwide. Let's begin. Skill number 1. AI content creation 55 seconds. The first skill is AI content creation. Businesses are hiring people who know how to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, and other AI platforms to create content faster. This skill includes writing blog posts, creating YouTube scripts, making social media posts, designing graphics with AI. Brands love this because it saves them time and money. And you can earn $50 to $150 per project, meaning just 2 tasks per day can make you $100. Start by learning how to prompt AI properly, and build samples to showcase your work. Skill number 2. Social media management 55 seconds. The second skill is social media management. Every business wants to grow on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, but most don't have the time. As a social media manager, you can create content plans, edit short videos, post consistently, grow pages, respond to comments. Most beginners charge $300 to $600 per month for managing one account. So with just 1 or 2 clients, you can easily hit $100 per day. The best part? You only need a smartphone and creativity. Skill number 3. SEO, search engine optimization 55 seconds. The third skill is SEO, one of the highest paying digital skills. Companies pay big money to appear on Google when customers search for products or services. With SEO you can optimize websites, do keyword research, improve website ranking, help businesses get more traffic. Even beginners charge $20 to $50 per hour. And experienced SEO experts can charge up to $100 per hour. This skill takes time to learn, but once you master it, it becomes a long-term money machine. Skill number 4. Email marketing 50 seconds. The fourth skill is email marketing, a skill most people ignore, but companies rely on it to make consistent sales. Email marketing includes writing newsletters, setting up automated email sequences, creating sales funnels, sending promotional emails. Businesses pay between $200 to $1,000 per email sequence, depending on complexity. Just one client can make you $100 per day consistently. Tools like MailChimp, Klaviyo, and ConvertKit are great for beginners. Skill number 5. eCommerce and AMP, dropshipping knowledge 55 seconds. The fifth skill is e-commerce skills, especially dropshipping and online store management. This includes product research, running ads, store setup, order fulfillment, customer service. Whether you manage stores for clients or run your own store, you can earn -$100 per day profit from your own shop, or charge businesses $200 to $500 to set up their store. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and TikTok Shop make it easier than ever. Conclusion 20 seconds. These 5 digital skills can change your life in 2026, not tomorrow, but over time with consistency. Start with one skill, practice daily, build small projects, and you'll see results faster than you think. If you want more videos on making money online, digital skills, and e-commerce, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.